content here, and I want to show you how you can actually go live on Meyo and how you can host a party. So where do you start from? What you do is you open Meyo. Then the moment you happen to open Meyo, the active tab is the one which is in the bottom left corner. You check now on top of the screen, top left corner, there is where it reads stream. Click there, but of course you'll be joined, you actually be able to see other people who've got live. So what you do is you now tap on the icon, which is the third from the right top corner with the video icon. So here you can now you see that you can actually punch in the title. When you check on top there, it says title. Title or add room title. Okay, so when you punch in the room title, you can now tap there where it says start live. But the conditions are that within the month you must have had recharged with at least $19. You see, baby girl, that's how we do it. So now if I try to go live right now, see they're saying the recharge must be $19 within a month. So here we go. I'm gonna go back. If you want to host a party, you click where it says party, and then you come here, you see other people are partying. Now for you to initiate your own party, you have to click the mic icon. Beautiful. So you can punch in the party topic, the billboard, and then if you want, you can lock the party. So that anybody wants to come in, they have to ask for permission. It won't be open to anybody who wants to join in, but people will be requesting to join in, and you'll be in control. You'll be the one who will be letting in people. So that's how we do it.